Why you need to understand science. One of the most common complaints about science that I hear from students is, why do we need to know this? This can be a tough question coming from students who have no intention of a scientific career. Nonetheless, there are a lot of reasons that we all need to understand what science is and how to investigate the world scientifically. Perhaps the most important argument for scientific literacy is that everyone should know how to answer a question, not with a guess or an estimate, but with a reasoned, data-driven conclusion. To do this, we need to understand how to develop a hypothesis, what independent and dependent variables and controls are, how to collect and analyze data objectively. It may only take a few months to teach a student what these words mean, but it can take a lifetime to learn to apply them in the real world. Much as the scientific research of today drives the technological innovation of tomorrow, an understanding of the principles and phenomena at work around us helps us analyze our environment and respond accordingly. We must also learn to understand the world around us. For many students, it may not be obvious why we need to know about plant cells, or molecular bonds, or potential energy. Some students may not even realize that we use our scientific literacy to navigate our world every day. We need math and language skills to interact with our environment, and we need scientific skills just as much. The only difference is that we've internalized so much of our scientific knowledge that we take it for granted. For instance, it's science, not math or English, that convinces us not to cross the street in oncoming traffic. In short, we need a working knowledge of the scientific process and a basic understanding of the science at work around us to live successful lives. Without it, we would struggle to learn even the most basic tasks, to feed, clothe, and protect ourselves, and even to survive.